The Lange Duo Grande 360 degrees airflow styler is a 2-in-1 hair styling tool that combines a curling wand and a titanium flat iron hair straightener. It features a sleek design and comes in a blush color variant, which adds a touch of elegance to your styling routine. One of the notable features of this styler is the 360 degrees airflow technology, which includes cooling air vents. This technology helps to lock in your style and gives you a long-lasting hold. It's particularly useful when curling your hair, as the cooling air vents help set the curls and prevent them from falling flat too quickly. The adjustable temperature settings allow you to customize the heat according to your hair type. Overall, the Lange Duo Grande 360 degrees airflow styler seems to be a versatile and convenient styling tool that combines the functionality of a curling wand and a flat iron. Its adjustable temperature settings, titanium plates, and cooling air vents make it a suitable option for individuals looking to experiment with different hairstyles and achieve professional-looking results.